Hi, I'm Don with Advanced Solar, and what I want to talk about in this short video is the IRS tax credit. You get a lot of questions about that. It's really pretty straightforward and very simple. It's a tax credit when you file your taxes of 30% of whatever you paid for your solar system. Okay, there's not many caveats or things that are disqualify the tax credit. And it's important to understand it's a tax credit, not an income deduction. So if you owe $5,000 in taxes, when you file, bottom line is $5,000, and you've paid in all year long, so you're pretty much flat. You may owe a little bit, maybe a little bit of a refund, and you've got a $3,000 tax credit. It goes against that $5,000. You'll get that $3,000 back, or if you owe money, it goes against that. But here's a key factor: this tax credit has got to go against liability. Meaning, if for some reason you don't pay income tax. I've had customers that are on disability and they have minimal income and they're not taxed. Well, you can't take the tax credit. It's got to go against your liability. So even if you paid in all year long and you don't owe anything because you paid in, that's still tax money you paid. So you can apply the credit towards that. And the tax credit can also roll over into future years. So say it's a $10,000 tax credit and you only owed $8,000, you have $2,000 additional, you can take that next year on next year's taxes. Another fine print deal in there is the system, and this is the IRS language on the back of the form, has got to be in service. So it's just like buying a car December 31st or inducing labor so you can have a baby and a tax deduction on December 31st, which a lot of people do. I don't judge. But it's the same concept. The system has got to be in service. It's got to be turned on. So you can buy it, you can write a check for it, the installer can install it, but if it's not technically in service, that tax credit wouldn't apply until next year. So keep that in mind if people are pushing it at the end of the year to buy now so you can get it by the end of the year. It's got to be in service.